activity, we will do the activity number 9, and we will do it right away. Why? Because I think for this topic today is better if we do it quickly. It's more understandable. Cool, Chang. I know you are there. I know you cannot talk with us, but I know you're here, and I'm happy you are here. If somebody want to say something, remember you can interrupt me or say what you want to say, or just write on the chat, or anything.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Karim. Thank you for talking to me now because last
It's
class
like
was
it's like Monday. Monday we start our day and end our day with you.
yes. Some of you,
Yes,
how why you say start? Because you just take 2 courses today.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
and the other courses you take, the other you are missing one in Google Meeting, right?
Yeah, just one is online and three are with you.
That's
Yes,
I get it now.
yes.
Yeah, it's that's it. Yes, I don't know exactly by memory everybody like how many courses because it's kind of more of 206 in my courses in my
You are the most famous teacher.
it's crazy.
May God bless you.
When I say that, thank you so much, Karim. When I say, I'm doing something wrong because something is happening. A lot of students, something is happening that is not good, right?
No, ma'am. It's just that as a teacher, you realize that like all age group students you have, and you are basically accommodating them, like by discussing activities, discussing questions. So students feel
I think
more
this is the bad
comfortable.
thing. This is the bad thing that we do this together and it's
No,
crazy.
ma'am. It's like if we are doing it together, we are actually learning more than just trying to do a trial and error on ourselves.
Yeah, that's the argument you usually gave me, and that's the reason why I keep doing like this. But yeah, I know that in this kind of system like that, we will have some escape. Like some people won't take advantage as I want of this.
But ma'am, I will also tell you one more thing. That is that we may feel that we do the activities together. You guide us with the answers, but we discuss, so we learn. If we do trial and error, the answers are also like it is an open truth that the answers are also available if you search it. But then you learn less when you just search about it than to talk about it.
Yeah, I think I agree. And also, when like, for example, we have Google, you are in your home, so you can look everything in Google. It's there, right? So I won't tell you, don't look in Google when you're doing any activity or any assignment, right? But I think it's kind of useful for some of you if we do like that. And again, we
Yes, Google is also our another teacher. You can say in that way because we get
exactly.
so many things from
Google is
Google.
just not our teacher, but our papa. Google.
So you can call it the way you want it. So I say everybody will, we everybody will. Let's say I am recording. That's why I want it to be nice. But anyway, everybody will, find their own strategies. That's why I don't like recording. But anyway, everybody will find their own strategies. But I think we can take advantage more of the things if we do it together, even if some people won't learn like I want with the activity. But yeah, the majority will take advantage some of the times. So that's my motivation to do this. So today we will do it now. We will do this right away because today is accounting. Everything is about accounting. So if I start to say a lot of things, I think will be more confusing. It's better if we do together. If you have comments about Anything that even you think is not useful, say it, because everything is useful. And we can, don't worry, you say what you want, and don't worry, I'm going to make it work so everybody can learn from your comments because they are valuable. Um, so in simple words, this lesson, again, I will tell you, is about finance, accounting, all of that. So everything activity you do in your life, even when you wake up and you brush your teeth, it's all about finance. It's all about money, about resources. And don't start to see the money like a bad thing, because we have been grown like in some our countries, money is not something recognized as a good resource, right? Some people say this is not good or stuff like that. See the money like a resource. See it like your friend. See it like your friend, and money help you to develop your project, your small business grow. And remember, if you follow your purpose, if you are committed to help others, this resource will help you to make it work and do it better. And actually, right now, with the resources is how we can have internet, have the computers or the phones or the heater that I like. The heater that I always talking about, right? Even in the summer, here in my home, I have two boys. One of them like heater so much. Even in summer, he's with the heater all the time. Crazy, right? So every time we are spending resources. And it's the same in our small business. Actually, I was looking for something I wanted to share with you, and I have it in my hand, but then I leave it there. I'm going to show you, talking about resources, small business, and all of these topics that we love to talk about. But again, if you have comments, something, tell me. I was telling to the other class, well, I will tell you later when we're done with this. I will tell you later. Let me go with you. Okay, we're gonna do this now. Activity 9, accounting, finance. All this is the topic. Let me share my screen with you real quick. And what else? Comments that you have, tell me, because I feel that you were interested in talking now more than my last class, because some of you were not helping me last class. I feel that you want to help me more now. I was complaining so much last class, like nobody want to help me here. What's going on? And the topic, I was so excited because I thought everybody will give me something. It was about e-commerce, online service, and I say everybody gonna tell me something. No way. Nobody tell me. Nobody, but a lot of people didn't help me last class. Okay, let's go with the number 9, accounting and cash flow. Everything we have to make it accountable, make it manageable or register. How my, I'm not specialized on accounting, but I will tell you, you have many courses of that, right? But I will tell you how to register your activities in your small business. Your friend will be Excel. If you are not fan of registering everything, at least try to do it in a traditional way. Write it down. When you're starting, the chapter will tell you, like, sometimes you need to hire somebody. My advice for the small business that are starting is no. Try to do everything by yourself. At least, like accounting, you can find resources that are effective in terms of the money that you have to pay. If there is something that you can handle, you can request help, okay? But I don't want you as a small business owner start spending everything. Okay, I'm gonna hire somebody that make my marketing, somebody that do my accounting, somebody that, no, you need to get used to do all of these activities by yourself. And then as soon as you keep growing, you can use accountant if you need. I know that some of us are not fan of the measuring things or maybe, maintaining records. But the way I do, okay, I will tell you what I do right and what I do wrong, right? So you can learn and you can tell me how you do it. In the mm, yeah, admit. Okay, so in one of the business I do by myself, I record my sales and my expenses by myself in Excel, and also traditional. I'm like traditional, but in the Jewelerly we have accountant because my mother is the owner and she's accountant, so I don't have problem with this. It's easy for me with that. Because if you are accountant, some of you have accounting studies overseas or are interested or have experience on that. So that's beautiful because you have the tools in your mind. Okay, so if not, don't panic. Just register everything. Have a record of your sales, of your expenses, and you can keep growing from there. Okay, if you have help or if you want to have help, there is another also another tool. And also uh, tools that we have online that you can purchase online, Quickball, all of that. We have this. Some of you have experience with those systems. You can tell me if you have experience with these accounting systems. Let me know your opinion. Let's go, let's go, let's go. If you have comments, say it. Because we don't gonna take too long today. It's gonna be simple today. The simple class in the whole semester. Let's go with activity 9 together. Yes. I'm just gonna record until we do trial and error, and then I'm gonna stop. Alpesh, thank you for helping me. Alpesh gonna read the first one. He said it.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
Uh,
Alpesh.
Welcome, ma'am. Short-term obligations that a business owns to suppliers, vendors, and other creditors. It may consist of all the supplies and materials that were purchased on credit. Other items payable can include items such as the payroll and tax withholdings owed to employees or the government, but which has not as of yet been paid. The answer is accounts payable.
Accounts payable. Thank you, Alpesh, just for saying right away. Don't worry if you don't guess, it's fine. If you say it wrong, it's also fine, okay? Don't stress with the answer for that. We're gonna make it right, don't worry. Okay, but yes, let's keep going with the second.
Okay, can I?
Yes.
It's defined as the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions, and events which are in part at least of a financial character, and interpreting the results theory. It's
Yeah, I think
it's
something was cut.
accounting.
It's accounting. Thank you, Chad. Something I caught, so forgive me. But the main idea is there: art of recording, classifying, and summarizing significant matter in terms of money. Accounting. I know you have many classes on this, but
Accounting.
yes,
Read number three, ma'am.
let's keep going. Number 3. Abdul, you wanna say something?
Number three,
Thank you. Okay, number 3.
provide critical information to potential investor and businesses manager may in fact be one of the oldest information system known to humans. Some have argued that this system were the impetus for the development of writing system in Mesopotamia 813. Archaeologists have discovered clay tokens dating back 10,000 years ago, which function as a part of the inventory system measuring agriculture goods such as grain and domesticated animal. This is
Sorry.
accounting.
Accounting. Sorry, Abdul, that was long. It was giving you a lot of story about how the accounting has been developing in during the years. In there was registrations of the accounting in history, right? With agricultural goods is something that has been recording from a long time. Let's go with the number 4.
Can I hear there?
Yes, please.
Okay. Count a transaction when the cash is received. Such systems are used by smaller businesses that have no appreciable inventory. Cash-based systems.
Cash basis system. That was Roberta Parecida. Thank you, Roberta. Cash basis system. Okay, I hear another voice. Somebody wanna read? Karin, thank you. I
Yes,
see you
ma'am.
here.
Can you open the retake option?
Oh, yes, yes, I will do. So you are stuck right now. You cannot keep going. No?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I did the test, but I want to do the retake.
Okay. I'm gonna stop for a moment here because if I don't do it, he will be stuck. And stay with me, people. Sorry. We are in the 9. Let's put 3 for now, okay? So we are going to do this real quick. We say in the number 1, the answer was accounts payable. In the second, we say it was, of course, accounting, right? In the number 3, we read about the history of accounting. And then came to the number 4, and that was, who tell me the answer? I don't know if
Cash
Cash
basis.
based
Cash
systems.
basic system.
but who gave me the answer?
I think it was Roberta.
Roberta.
Roberta, yes, that's what I wanted to know. Thank you. So she said cash basis system. Sorry, okay, people. So number 5, nobody give me
Can
that
I
answer.
read?
Yes, please.
Count transaction when the occur, although this system may require additional analysis to determine a business actual cash position, it provides a more accurate measure of profitability. Uh, Accrual basic system.
Accrual basis system. Thank you, Nurudila Lani. Let me see. Contraction when they occur, although the system may require additional analysis to determine a business actual cash position. It provides more accurate measure. It's the accrual basis. But let's keep going because we're gonna see everything anyway. Okay, let's go with the 6. Counting system, easy one. Somebody
Counting
wanna read?
system may be divided into 2 major types: cash basis and accrual basis. True?
It's true. Let me see. Don't worry. You can say what you think. It's Bruna. Okay, thank you, Bruna. Don't worry. You are fine.
You.
Okay, you're welcome. So let's go with the number 7.
I can read it.
Please, who is there?
Leticia.
Leticia. Thank you, Leticia.
Sheet statement is a photograph taken at a particular point in time, which images the financial position of a firm. The balance sheet is dominated by what is known as the accounting equation. Put simply, the account equation separates what is owned from who owns it. Formally, the account equation states the following: assets equals liabilities plus owner equity.
Thank you, Leticia. The ones that are with me in the class, last class, we did the same, similar question.
I think it's the balance sheet statement.
It's so beautiful, Leticia. Awesome. Okay, let's go with the number 8, people. Are the amount of money. Somebody want to help me with your nice voices? Yes, who is there?
Alpesh, ma'am.
Thank you, Alpesh.
Are the amount of money owed to outside claims, that is, money owed to people outside the business? The answer is liabilities.
Liability. Whatever we owe. You have a loan, liability. You owe money, liability. Okay, number 9. Number 9 and 10, and you're gonna be free. Okay, free of this. Number 9.
Let me read that again, ma'am.
You think it's liability? What you say?
No. Can I
No?
read the question?
Yes.
Are stocks and bonds that a business may hold in the hope that they would provide a greater return to the business rather than just letting cash sit in a bank account. Most of this can be easily turned into cash should the need arise. Answer is marketable securities.
Marketable security, Alpesh, that was the answer. Number 10, and you are gonna be done. Number 10.
I can read again.
Please.
Are assets that will be held for less than 1 year. They include cash, marketable securities, accounts receivable, notes receivable, prepaid expenses, and inventory. These are listed in a specific order. The order is based on the degree liquidity of each asset. Liquidity measures the ease in which an asset can be converted into cash. Naturally, cash is the most liquid of all assets.
That was Leticia. Thank you, Leticia.
Current asset.
I think it's current asset too.
Yes.
I'm distracted. I hear a baby. What was what we were talking?
Liquid assets are current assets.
Sorry. We say which one we say? Accounts pay. Oh no, this is number. Okay. Shavnan, you say something. Assets will be held less for 1 year. And they include cash. This is current asset.
Liquid assets can also be said as current assets, right?
Yes, I think it's current asset, the answer.
Yeah, it is
Let me
current
see if
assets.
I said it right. Let me see. So people, I'm gonna stop recording. We did it. Okay, everybody, this is the answers that we get by ourselves, which is beautiful. That's it. And I'm showing on the screen. And now I am gonna stop with the record for my mental health. Let's 1 second.
100%, ma'am. All right.
Look at you. Look at you. You always tell me that. You always tell me when we do
I'm
right,
not
you tell me.
cheater.
So you are my helper. What is it? Yes, you're not cheating on me. I'm hearing, let me see. Stop sharing. I'm doing something. Sorry. I'm 1 second, people. Have me patient, okay? 1, 2, 3. Done. Okay, here.